What if I told you that you are leaving every time free rewards whenever you use your browser? Let me show you how to claim them. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, I'll tell you how you can start earning reward points just using your web browser, and you can redeem them too. So let's get started. But before getting started, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and turned on the notification bell. So guys, the web browser I'm talking about in this video is Microsoft Edge. Edge is a commonly used web browser and one of the most reliable and trusted web browser. Of course, it is made by Microsoft, the one who has made Windows. So you can earn these points by just using your web browser, just surfing on it, just completing some tasks or playing some video games or shopping online. And not just getting those points, you can redeem them into gift cards or shopping online or many more things. So open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Once inside the Edge, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Head over to settings and then select Microsoft Rewards. Turn it on and you are good to go. After turning it on, you have to earn points using various methods, like every time you search in it, you'll earn points. If you set it as your default browser, then you'll earn points. You can also play Microsoft platform games and earn points as you go. And if you shop through these Microsoft points, you'll again gain more points. Well, I have some pro tips to maximize your points. Make Edge your default browser. Don't miss the daily quizzes, as they'll get you the more points and more points on daily basis. And yes, of course, complete the other tasks too. And keep this process up and just repeat them in routine, in daily basis. And then when you have earned a lot of points, how to redeem them? Just head over to Microsoft Rewards dashboard. From there, you can redeem your points into gift cards, products, or you can use them in the Microsoft Store too. And there is another way of using those points as donation. If you want to donate them, I don't think so it's worth it, but if you do so, it's for philanthropy only. And that's how you can earn those points and redeem them by just doing what you were actually doing from past few years, or you do always on a daily basis. And if you find this video useful and informative, just give it a like, share with your friends, and comment down your thoughts. And what else? Just subscribe to our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one.